Hey guys, what's up? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Vick affiliate business system. Maybe you're on this page right now. It says that he's making $300,000 a month with this particular platform, right? How is he doing it? Is this legit? Is this a good way for you to make money on the internet? Maybe you're in research mode. Let's check it out, all right? If you're looking for my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month and you want to get that strategy for free, all you need to do is just click the link below and I'll send you my favorite strategy straight to your email. You could check it out if you would like, okay? Now, let's take a look at this program. I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different programs, platforms, business models, free websites, paid websites, all sorts of strategies, and some of them are really good and you can potentially make a lot of money, but a lot of them actually are very difficult. They don't pay out that much money, and some of them are just straight up scams, okay? So let's take a look at Affiliate Business System to find out whether this is a good use of your time. Is it legit? Is this a good way to make money? What is this all about, all right? So maybe you have landed on this page right now, and this is basically a presentation by Vick, right? Vick Strazius, who is a very, very successful online marketer, right? He's been around for, I think, over 15 plus years, made millions and millions of dollars, and he is basically teaching people how to use his secret affiliate system. All right, that is making him $300,000. That is a huge claim, okay? $300,000 per month, by the way, all right? So let's find out exactly what this is and what you're actually getting, okay? So this is his webinar presentation. It depends on the time that you're watching this video. It might be a webinar presentation. It might be a sales page, a video sales letter that you're just watching. But he's basically essentially talking about the same thing. It's his affiliate marketing platform that's making him $300,000 a month. What is this all about? And can you actually make money from this? All right. So first of all, I want to say that Vick is 100% legit. Okay. He's actually the guy that I learned strategies with in 2016 that allowed me to break through and quit my full-time job in April 2019, all right? And I had been struggling for many, many, many years before that, 8 years before 2016. I actually started in 2009. So Vick was actually the guy who really gave me the strategies where I was able to break through and make multiple six figures a year online, okay? And let me just show you that proof before I actually, dive into his program, just so that you know that this man is actually 100% legit. So I'm just gonna jump onto my screen right now. This is an award that I got from another company where I made $1 million, okay, with my program. Now, the strategies that I used to implement to win this award was actually what I had learned foundationally from Vick. All right, and I was able to learn how to sell, and this is an actual physical award that you can actually see in the background right here. You can see it right here. Okay, that's the $1 million award, right? So just let me go back so that you can see that this is real stuff. Okay, he also taught me how to do this. I was able to generate $455,000 selling an affiliate product online. This is another shot showing where I generated $673,000. This is me generating $91,000 over dollars, and you can see my name right here, Aaron Ziwi Chen. That's my Chinese name. That's my full name. All right. Selling somebody else's product. Again, I use the strategies that I learned from Vick that he taught me in 2016, okay, and I applied it into my business. Here is me selling another program, somebody else's program. I generated $93,000 from this program, and this is my Stripe account. You can see my name right there, Aaron Chen Ziwi. That's my full name. I made 2 million ringgit. This is my currency, right? Because Stripe, it gets converted into your local currency. That's equivalent to $500,000 US. Okay, so you can see that the training that I learned from him basically really taught me how to be very successful online, right? Now, what does that have to do with anything? Well, that's just to show that Vick he really knows what he's talking about when he comes up with trainings. And this training right here, it's not really a training, it's actually a platform. We'll talk about that in a second. Is his latest thing. Okay, so it's actually very, very exciting that he's launching this, because I learned how to do what I just showed you in 2016, right? I went full-time in 2019, and now this particular year he's launching this program, this platform, and it's going to teach people how to go even further. That's why it's so exciting. All right, so if you go, if you watch, you can watch the video sales letter or the sales page, or maybe you jumped on the live call, right? It doesn't matter. It basically leads you to something called Affiliate Business System. So I'm logged into my affiliate business system back office. I've invested in this program. I invest in all of Vick's stuff. Okay, his stuff is really, really good. It's top notch. And this isn't really a course. You know, some people think that it's actually a course. It's not a course. Okay, what it is it's a platform that allows you to be, you know, up and launched as a professional affiliate marketer very, very quickly within a week. Okay, so here's the thing about internet marketing in general, right? Now, you can learn to sell other people's products online, but in order to learn how to do that, it's actually quite a complicated process. There are a lot of moving parts. You basically have to, you know, pick your product. You have to learn how to sell. You have to learn how to set up your selling system. You have to connect your autoresponder, your emails. You have to write all of them. You have to write the sales copy. You have to learn how to do a lot of marketing. And that's why a lot of people fail online. Okay, so basically what Vick does with affiliate business system is he was like, well, how do I teach someone how to be really, really successful without necessarily having to teach them step by step how to implement every single thing? Is there a way for him to just give you the business, right? Kind of like a business platform so that you can start becoming successful a lot more quickly, so that you don't have to necessarily learn all the moving parts, which can be quite complicated for a lot of people. Okay, so that's what affiliate business system is. It's actually a system. It's a platform where you can brand yourself and basically have his business in a box, right? Without necessarily having to put all the 100 pieces together in order for you to be successful with affiliate marketing. Okay, so basically when you log in, all right, you know, all these modules here are not really, you know, it's not really training on how to put all the pieces together. This is basically explaining to you how, you know, the $300,000 per month platform works and how you can, you know, quickly grab it into your hands. All right, so if you can see here, first of all, you know, there's, you know, teaching about the mindset. So, you know, there's 3 different modules here, and Vick's training is excellent. Okay, it's like really, really next level stuff. I mean, let me just play this one just so that you can see very, very quickly. I'm not going to show you the whole thing, but it's a 35-minute intro video because his stuff is like, you know, the strategies he teaches is really high level, and this is what you need in order to make big money online. Okay?
Welcome to Affiliate Business System. My friend, I am very excited for you. Congratulations for getting here. I've been waiting to the end result, which is success. And
okay, so you can see it's very, very high quality stuff. That's how he teaches. It's not just his face. He shows you his screen. He shows you a lot of, you know, the training is super powerful. Okay, so let me just log back in. All right, so that you can actually see, you know, the rest of the program, right? So that is just the mindset. You have to be in the right mindset in order to make a lot of money online, right? Then he talks about the $300,000 per month blueprint. What does it actually look like? Okay, so he talks about the business models. He talks about the affiliate hub strategy, which is basically the platform that he's going to be able to give you in order for you to make the money. And then he breaks it all down. What is the anatomy? What does it look like? Okay, what, you know, how does it need to work in order for you to make that kind of money? And then how can you actually get your hands on it, right? And then so then the next is actually setting it up, right? How do you actually set up your money hub, right? So this is the part where you have to import the hub onto your own domain. That's really, really important. So this is not an affiliate thing, right? And this is why this is so exciting, because you're not getting an affiliate link, which is what everybody else does in the market. In fact, Vick is the only person that I know where he allows you to, where he gives you his business, but you're running it on your own branded domain. That is huge, guys, right? That means it's your own www. whatever you want. It could be www.workwithbill, www.workwithsally, www.workwithbob.com. Does that make sense? You can name it anything you want. So it's 100% branded to you, not to Vick, to you. That's really important, right? But you're still getting all the little things that make his business a $300,000 per month business, and you're gonna have it branded to you. It's super cool. Okay, so the domain setup, the project name, how do you import it, how do you make it yours, the legalities, connecting all the forms, all that, all these little stuff that you need to get it to work. Okay, how do you connect all the tools? Okay, let me show you here. connecting the multiple streams of income. How do you activate your multiple streams of income? How do you activate the different products? All these are the different products that you get to sell within the program. Super cool, all right? So, products that you don't even have to look for yourself. It's already there. Okay, he's going to be able to provide that to you, right? How do you connect all the different sales funnels together in order for you to sell it correctly, right? The live streaming, the launch, how do you get from zero to your first $10,000 month, okay, and beyond, right? So let me show you exactly what that looks like, okay? So first of all, this is the training to help you to set it up, right? It's not really training for you to market. This is actually training to get you in the right mindset, to explain to you what the platform looks like, how a $300,000 per month business looks like. You have to import it, okay, and then basically set it up, all right? And once you set up, which is really, it doesn't take long. This is essentially what it kind of looks like, okay? So that's not Vic, that's me. So this is my hub, all right? This is basically what he's going to teach you how to do. By the way, this is all 100% customizable. Okay, so essentially he's helping you to launch a business without having you to build all the little individual parts completely separately. It's just one thing that he gives you, right? But the cool thing is that it's on your own domain. So my domain is Chenpreneur. It's a play on my last name because my last name is Chen, right? Aaron Chen. So chenpreneur.com. It's 100% branded to Aaron Chen. You can see that's my logo. That's me right here, right? And this is all basically a business in a box right here. Now this is a very simple part, but when you go to the different parts, like for example, there is the tools page, right? Let me just go to the tools page. So all of this is already set up for you. You can change the colors, you can change the logos, you can do all that stuff, which is very easy, but all of these recommended tools will help you to make money, and it's all already there for you. Okay, it's very, very cool. All right, now nobody is doing this kind of stuff, okay? If you want to leverage his results, check out his results right here, right? So these are the people that have had results with the program. Look at this, 14,000 Trustpilot views, updated 50 minutes ago. Can't wait to dig in. This module has put me in the state of readiness to do whatever it takes to master the lessons, practice without question. This is just awesome, great training. Great stuff, mind-blowing stuff, great product. I mean, you can't fake this stuff. This is just like, it's insane. There's actually 15,000 reviews right here. It's very, very up to date. Okay? You get all this. It's business in a box, right? Let's check out the courses that you can sell. All right? So he offers, he allows you to get access to all these courses that you can sell to make money. So you don't even have to learn to pick programs. It's already there, right? For you to sell and make money from. It's awesome. All right? So all of this stuff, he's going to license it to you and you can just sell it, right? Tons of training right there, all right? So essentially what he's teaching you to do is he's teaching you how to set up, get branded, build an affiliate hub, all right? Make money from it without necessarily having to learn all the individual pieces on how to put it together, all right? He's going to package it together, allow you to brand it, and he's going to give it to you, which allows you to get into the money as quickly as possible. He also has traffic programs, right? Where he allows you to get access to different traffic co-ops so that you can drive traffic to your different sales funnels in order to generate income. All right? So that's essentially what affiliate business system is. Okay? So what do I think about it? I think it's awesome. I think that anything that Vic comes out with, for the most part, all right, is really good because he helped me to get incredible results. So I know, and I go through his stuff, right? I get early access. So I've had access to affiliate business system for months and months and months before it even launched, because I've been working with Vic for a very, very long time. And remember, he's the guy that taught me how to get to $1 million, to hundreds of thousands of dollars, right? How to sell other people's programs, $90,000, $91,000 here, over 2 million ringgit in my own currency, $500,000 here in my Stripe account, right? And that's just that snapshot, right? And this is his newest thing that's going to help you to get to your results even more easily. That's the crazy thing. So everything that I'm showing you right here, right, I did the hard way. Okay, you have to understand that. He taught me how to do this by putting all the little pieces together, right? How to build out the system, blah, 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 blah. And I still generated these kind of results. Imagine what you could do when he gives you his business like that and you can brand yourself. This is just completely different, all right? just completely different. Live streams by him. He's going to do all the selling and telling for you. I mean, it's just mental stuff. Right here, check this out, right? Join the VIP. If you want to brand it, you can see my video right here. You can do this. You can do anything you want, right? So this is my hub. You're going to get all of this, except that you can brand it and do it for yourself, all right? And he's going to show you how to do that. And that's how you generate a lot of profit online, okay? So it's got my stamp of approval. That's my review of Affiliate Business System. There are a couple of things that you can do right now. 2 things, all right? The first thing is, if this interests you and you want to get your own copy of an Affiliate Business System where you get your own affiliate hub, so that you don't have to do all the selling and telling and necessarily, you know, learn all the hundreds of different pieces that kind of come together for you to have a successful business. You just want your own branded platform so that you can have a lot of great products to sell and start generating income almost straight away, all right? Then you can click the link below, and you can get access to Affiliate Business System through my link if you would like to give me some credit for actually showing you exactly what this is, okay? And of course, you're gonna get my trainings, you're gonna get access to me and all my bonuses and all that great stuff, okay? So I'm not gonna leave you hanging. If you wanna check that out, I'm gonna leave the link below, and you can check that out if you want, all right? The second link that's right below that is just access to my free training. So if you enjoyed this video and you just want more free training from me, you can check out the second link below this, or you can get both, okay? So you can grab a copy of Affiliate Business System if you want by clicking the first link, and then if you want to get my free training, you can click the second link as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care, all the best, and I hope to see you on another video review. Take care.